Hi, Wei Ming here from Mingwei. Thank you for dropping by and welcome to my channel. Now it's time again for me to make an update on the site condition. The place where I been updating quite regular. I believe this is the fifth updates on this complex. I believe it is a complex that they are building over there. It's just nearby, not too far away from my place, and let's see. All right, and yeah, I am flying my DJI Mini 2 SE today. Hopefully this drone can give you a very good footage on the update. Okay, now let me turn on the drone. Okay, I have just charged the battery full. I hope I can give you a good footage today. Okay, now let me just run through the settings. Safety RTH altitude at 80. I think I better put a bit higher. Put up to 110 because there are some buildings over there. Max altitude.
Home point updated.
Okay. Okay, they will ask for calibration. Okay. Battery information is good, right? Controls. Alright, camera. Yep, I format my SD card. Format storage confirm. Formatting. Formatted. Transmission okay. Okay, I have just updated my firmware, so I believe it is good. Alright, okay. Takeoff permitted. Let's start record now. Okay, let's fly.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
I'm sorry. I have dropped my tripod's camera. Okay, I hope can hold this time. I'm so sorry about this. Alright, okay. I'm so sorry. Now let me fly the drone close to the tripod's camera. As usual, the Mingwei style. Yeah, there you go. The beautiful drone. The beautiful Ming Mini 2 SE, I call it. Alright. How about a bit more closer? Okay, it's a bit windy now, but I believe the drone can handle it. Okay, now let's go. Yep, rain had just stopped this morning. It was heavy rain. Again, I dropped my tripod camera. I think it's alright, then I'll just leave it. Okay, now let's fly. Gimbal down a little. Alright, okay, let's fly to the side. Let's go. I should fly a little bit higher. Okay. To be on the safe side, I think I should reach up to at least 70 meters. Alright. Sorry. The height I have to go up to at least 50 meters. I do not know what am I talking about just now. I'm sorry. Because my eyes is eyeing on the distance. Alright, turn a bit to my right. Okay, and off I go. Okay, a bit higher, 50 to 53 meters. Okay, 60 meters is good. And let's check this out. What we have here now. The site. Quite a lot of changes compared to oh, there's a bird flying just across my drone. A bit worried about those birds over there, because happened before. There's one bird who disturbs my drone. Okay, quite a bit of changes, quite a lot of changes I mean on this construction site compared to last month. That was sometime on the 10th of May, I remember. Okay, now I think you can see the structure quite well now. Okay, a bit to my right, to the right. Yep, okay, maybe we should fly sideways. I have to be careful over here because there's one billboard over here. Make sure it's not too close. Okay, I think I'm high enough. Okay, now let's fly sideways. Because sideways can cover, make better coverage. Now it looks like the progress is quite fast. Within a month's time, I can see the structure come out. The structure has been erected nicely up. Okay, let's fly sideways to my right. There you go. A triangle shaped complex. I do not know what kind of complex is this. Now you can see there are a lot of birds over there. It's quite dangerous to fly actually over there. Now, okay. Yeah. Yep, you can see the complex is triangle shape. Okay, I have good reception. And yeah. Okay, shall we go a bit nearer? Gimbal down a little. Yep, there you go. Okay, so this is the shape of the complex. Again, I do not know what sort of complex is this, but they are doing it quite fast. Okay, let us go a bit nearer. At the same time, I drop my gimbal. you go. I can see there are 2 buildings over there, or I should say 3 buildings over there. From the leftmost, you can see the black color building. Shall we go a bit higher so we can have a better view on the complex? It looks like 3 buildings to me. Okay, I'll just bring up the drone up to 100 meters. Okay, good enough. All right, 102 meters. Now on the leftmost, I can see there's one black color building, and the middle ones there's a it looks like car park to me, the middle ones, and then the rightmost, that's another building. Okay, let me just drop the gimbal a little. Yeah, and you can see all those cranes and lorries, and you see any excavator over there? I see cranes and lorries. I don't see any excavator. Okay, yeah, maybe I'll go down a little bit. $82, $79. I think I'll go down to 65 meters. Alright, and I'll try to zoom it. Three times zoom. I can see cranes over there. There's a cement mixer. Yes, battery with 64%. I think I am good, still good. Okay, what I'll do is I go back to one time so that I know exactly where we are now. Okay, turn to my left. And we try to see whether if anybody is working on over there. It was raining this morning, very heavy. Yeah, seems like there's somebody working over there. I can see the cement mixer is moving. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, there's somebody working over there. 3 times zoom. There's one guy over there I can see. Oh, there's a lot of people over there. Over here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, the reception is a bit bad now. I should fly higher. $71, $72. 80. Okay, that's good enough. And let's see, go back to ×1 and let us check the other side. I wanted to check over bring up the gimbal. Now I want to check it out here. Remember there's one staff quarters over here. Should be, yes, over here, right? There's the staff quarters. Okay. Here you go. I believe this is the staff quarters or the management office. Okay. And it looks better today. The management office, or I put it as staff quarters, looks better today. Remember a month ago, it looks very bad. Yeah, it's not as clean as now. Okay, let me just turn over to my left. And this is how it looks from this angle. Okay, sorry, I should bring up my gimbal. Okay, so this is how it looks like. That's the update. Actually, I do not know how much you like myself to do update on this construction site. Shall I do it every month, every 2 months? Because I check out on the what I call this, the view count is not really that much. If it's bored, let me know. I can always go for different type of content. Just let me know what sort of content that you want. Of course, drone related content, alright? Okay, just let me know. How do you want me to make? What kind of content that you want me to make? Okay, I guess that's about all. What I'll do is I will fly back to the home point, turn to my right, battery 45%. I think it's time to bring back the drone. Okay, a quick what I call this, a quick update on the site status. Again, please let me know if you think that this is boring, because my intention is to make an update every month or every 2 months from flat land, which I did many months ago, and hopefully that I can update till the building is complete, or at least the whole structure is up. Right? That's my intention. Anyway, again, just let me know. If you think that this is boring, I can always go for a different type of content. Right, let me just bring back the drone now. Okay, and this is where we are. I mean, this is the place where I am staying. Coming back. Yeah, I'm using the attitude indicator on my shows on my bottom left of the screen, so I can easily navigate the drone back easily, no problem at all. Okay, I can see there's a lot of birds on top of me now. It's quite dangerous, so what I'll do is I'll try to avoid all those birds. I'm flying at 81 meters. Okay, I guess I'm right on top. Oh yeah, I can see my drone already. But okay, hang on for a while. Let me just put back the tripod's camera, which fall off just now. Okay, I wanted to show you. I want to show the drone lens. Hang on a moment. Sorry. Okay, I hope it holds. All right, let me bring back the drone. Battery 37%, and okay. Okay, Let me just bring down the gimbal a little so that I can have a look at this area here. There's a lot of house here. There's a lot of houses over here, especially condominiums. There's a lot. Right. You see, there's a lot of condominiums and there's a lot of semi-D houses around here. Okay, now let me just turn. Battery with 33%. I think it's time to bring back the drone. I'll turn to my left. I'll do it slowly so that give a bit of a cinematic view. Yeah, I hope you enjoy watching the video. Yeah, and if you do, I hope you can consider give me a thumbs up. It really helps a lot, because this thumbs up really encourage me to make more and better content. As I've said this many times, please do give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'll be very happy to see your thumbs up. And of course, for those of you who's new to my channel, and if this is the content that you're looking for, or if this is the content that you like, I hope you may consider subscribe to my channel. Okay, let me bring back the drone. It's flying back now. Come back slowly, and I lower my altitude bit by bit. Yeah, it's coming back now. Tell you what, DJI drone is very good drone. It's so stable and it flies so well. Bring up gimbal. Not too much. I don't want to see too much of the sky. Okay, now here it comes, the drone. I hope the tripods, let me check out the tripods camera. Okay, now this coming down. There you go. Now check this out, my Ming Mini 2 SE. How beautiful it is. Battery with 23%. Maybe I can show the drone stability a little bit more. For information, it's a bit windy now out there, but the drone flies so well. Flies so well. Yeah. A bit more closer. I think I did mention this. I really like to see the drone hover. When I see hovers, it really satisfies me a lot. Okay, low bat, time to land the drone. Okay, it's landing.
Landing.
It lands perfectly well. Okay, here we are, the drone, the beautiful DJI Mini 2 SE. It's a fantastic drone. Now again, I do not know how much you like me to update the site condition, site status. If you feel that it is a bit boring, just let me know. Oh yeah, before that, let me just turn off the records before I corrupt it. Okay, now, yeah. Please do let me know if you want me to continue updates the site status. Otherwise, we can always go for different content. Just let me know what sort of content you want or what sort of content you like. It can be any kind of content, but of course, drone-related contents. Do keep me informed on that. Again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you can give me a like if you enjoy watching the video. And for those of you who's new to my channel, and if this is the channel that you like or the channel that you are looking for, I hope you may consider subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. Actually, my intention is to get 500 subscribers by end of the year. That's my aim, actually. That's my aim. I hope you all can support me, and I'll thank you in advance. Please support me on my aim, and as usual, do take care always. I hope everything is good. Happy flying, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.